how to log into your Fidelity investment account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get your Fidelity investment from your App Store or Play Store, then install the application. Then you can simply open the application. So after opening the application here, all you would need to do is simply add in the credentials of your account, and then from there all you need to do is tap on login, right? So first of all, what we're going to do is tap on login, and then here all you need to do is add in your username and then your password. So here we also have the option of remember me. In here, next time while you log in, if you want the application to remember your credentials, like your username, you can tap on the option remember me so that it would be easier for you to log in later on, right? So in here, like I said, all you need to do is write in your username and password, then tap on login and you'll be logged into your account, right? But let's just say, unfortunately, somehow you have forgotten your username or your password. Then what you can do is simply tap on the option forgot username or password. Then from there, all you need to do is add in your first name and your last name, then tap on continue. Then there might also be the requirement of adding down your date of birth and also your social security number. All you need to do is fill up all of these information in order to find your account. Then you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset your password, and just like that you'll be able to log into your Fidelity investment account. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.